and Dave. Okay, now we're gonna discuss yesterday's homework. So everyone has done? Finish already? Yes. Okay. So number 3. Ayat. So who asked you to join MFLS? So now the table shows price indices of 3 types of shares. Okay. Okay. So find the value of P, Q, and R. P, Q, and R. So which method is easier for you guys? Split and fill the Leaps method.
Leads.
Leaps.
You. Yes, bagus. Leaps. So P, so A. Siapa nak volunteer? Ke nak saya sebut nama? Banyak terus volunteers. Volunteers. Okay, P116. Everyone got the same answer? 116. Saya tulis dulu jawapan. Tengok sama tidak jawapan. So Q, what value did you get for Q? P116. Q, baru kamu dapat. Q terdapat 100 and R 145. Okay, so let's see. Tengok P. A, P. Okay, P is 2000 plus based on 1992. Okay, so you draw the leaves lah. 1992, 2002, 2012. Okay, this one is 80, 145, and unknown. Okay, so macam biasa, atas, the above one will multiply each other, and the bottom one will times by 100.
100.
Then equalkan both sides. So 80, 145 is equal to 100P. So P is equal to
116.
116. Yes, the 116. Correct. So then P. We want to find the value of Q. Okay, Q, dia punya particular year and base year. Apa dia? What is the base year? What is the particular year? Q. Okay, base year dia berapa? What is the base year? Kita kena soal. No one is responding. Okay. So 2002 is the base year. One is particular year lah. Q 2012. Base year-nya ataupun kamu buat itu or like this. Very simple. 2012 based on 0502. Okay, and then we draw the leaps. 1992, 2002, 2012. This one is 120, Q, and 120. And then, as usual, times and 100 equal. Okay, we get 120 Q equal to 120 times 100. So what is your value of Q?
100.
100. So what's the definition of this? Conclusionnya kalau 100
No.
Same.
Same.
same
Same.
ke no? Yes. No change or remain unchanged. No change, remains unchanged. That one if they ask for conclusion. One increase 15%. Okay, as usual. One. And then the last one for C, they want to find R is again. Kita kau semua join hari ni. Okay. So R is 2002 based on 1992. Okay. So we draw the leaks. 2002, 2012. This one is R 180, 261. Okay. Multiple 100 equal. So we get 180R equal to 261 times 100. So what is your value of R? Kira dapat berapa? From the calculation.
145.
145. Yes, 145. Okay, so this one means increase by 45%. Okay, so everyone got the same answer?
Yes.
Yes. Q 100 R 145. Okay, good one. Simple je. We just use the formula leads lah. Okay, and then the top half times each other, which is this one lah, times each other. The bottom half times by 100, and then we equal top and bottom, and then find the remaining variables, unknown variables. So simple. Okay, this one. If the price indices of a scarf for the year 2000 based on the year 2005 and 2007 are 132 and 125 respectively. Calculate the price of the scarf, the nut price scarf, for the year 2007. If the price in the year 2005 was 25 ringgit. So this one, how did you do? Mana kamu buat?
Guna
formula. First kamu cari value apa? Price for which tahun dulu?
paling dulu.
Paling macam mana?
Paling dulu.
Paling dulu.
Ya.
Which one? Which year? Tahun bila?
2005.
2005, 2007, 2010. Kita bagi. Kita tahu 2005 RM 25 ringgit. And then we know price for 2010 based on 2005 punya index is equal to 132, and price for 2010 based on 2007 indexnya 125. Okay, so they asked to find price 2007 unknown. Okay, ini kalau salah first, because 2007 and 2005 no relation between those two. So we find yang boleh dulu. So saya cari using this one first. Okay, this one. Okay, so price index for 2010 based on 2005 is 132. So price for 2010 is unknown yet. So we put it as X over price for the base year is 25 times 100. Okay, this one guna formula asal. Okay, where I is equal to Q1 over Q0 times 100. So you transfer 132 over 100 is equal to S over 25, and then you calculate, you get X is equal to 33 ringgit. Okay, but this one is price for 2010. Okay, and then we have price for 2010, so we can use this formula. Okay, so the same one, same as above. So the price is 83, the index price is 125, but this time 33 is the price for the particular year. So it's on the top side over 2007 yang kita nak cari. So Y lah. Sebab kita dah guna X dengan times 100. Then transfer 125 over 100 is equal to 53 over Y, and then solve. So you get berapa kamu punya price, berapa nilai kamu dapat. Okay, your calculation RM berapa? No one get the answer or nak cakap type RM berapa? 26.40. Okay, 26.40. So itu je lah. That's the price for 2007. So RM 26.40. Itulah cara kita nak cari. Okay, kalau dia just tanya index price, kamu boleh guna leads directly. But this one, because they ask to find the price. Right, so kita kena kira satu-satu lah, one by one. Then using the formula, you can get the answer. Okay, so this one is over here. 26.4. Okay, kalau ada yang tak berapa jelas, nanti boleh tanya. Sure, you get the answer lah. Okay. Next, for this question. Okay. Saya minta calculate the composite index. Wait, is different. How did you do it? So, tu yang saya nak tanya juga. Macam mana kamu buat? Oh, I think I know. Kamu cari price index dia dulu Okay. Yeah, so you can do it like this. First, kena deep juga boleh dia. So kita ada 2005, 2015, 2005, 2007, 2007, and 2010. Okay. Yes, itulah. So this one is unknown yang kita nak cari. Yes, 2007, 2005. This one is 125. One is 132. Okay. First kamu cari index price dia. So price 2007 based on 2005 equal to this one lah. darab 100 equal to, yes, betul. Okay, we get 125x equal to 132 times 100, and then find the value of x. Get 105.6. Next, then what's the next step? Yes, so index for 2017 based on 2005 is equal to Q for 2007 over Q 2005 times 100. Okay, next, we substitute the value. So index for 2007 over 2005 yang kita dapat tadi 105.6. So price for 2007 is the one that we want to find, which is X. Jadi kan dia X over 25. Betul? Times 100. Okay, kenapa 25? But as stated, price for 2005 is 25. And then you get the answer 26.4. Tapi ingat, don't left your answer like this, ya. Ni kira tak finish lagi. Because they ask for price. So we put it RM 26.40. Okay, yeah, same. This one pun boleh lah guna lips. Tapi kamu akan dapat price index first. So then use the price index formula to find the value of the price value for 2007 lah. Okay, so ada dua method boleh buat. So this one by using formula, tapi kamu akan jumpa price 2010 dulu. Then barulah boleh dapat price 2007. This one you will get the index price 2007 based on 2005, and then using formula get the same answer. Okay, so both are acceptable. So up to you, which one you want to use. Okay, okay, bagus. Ini yang kita nak. We want different methods of doing the question, but definitely we'll get the same answer. Good. Okay, yang lain buat macam ni juga ke? Or
Formula.
how did you do it? Bawah
Guna formula.
guna formula. This one lah.
Ya.
Okay, tak apa. Both acceptable. Okay, good. Aziz want follow this one lah. So both can be accepted. Tengok. Okay. So we move on to composite index. Okay, composite index. This one, example 3. Okay. Calculate the composite index for the year. So the one R 2018 based on 2015. Okay, ingat lagi tak formula? What's the formula for composite index? Sum of what?
Total of index times by
Yes.
weightage.
Time weightage, betul. Then
Over total of
Over.
weightage.
total of
Weightage.
Yes, betul. Yes, betul kan. Sum of index time weightage over sum of weightage. Okay. So for this one, they want 2005 punya 2018 based on 2015. So hard to find the symbol. Yes. So this one, and then this is the weightage lah. I've already explained last class kan. and then you just multiply it together. So 110 36 plus 130 108 plus 105 72 plus 120 144. Okay. Okay. Then total weightage-nya one full circle 360 lah. Kalau tak dapat kira laju-laju pun just plus individual weightage 36 plus 108 plus 72 plus 144. So what value did you get? What is the composite index? Index dia Z360 tu yang previous lah. So 119. So everyone get the same answer? 119?
Yes.
Yes. 119.
Yes.
Okay. What does 119 represent? Kalau soalan ask, give your conclusion. Kalau soalan ask for conclusion, increase by 19%. Yes, increase by 19%. Okay, simple. Akan nampak the term increase, decrease, unchanged. So if increase, state dia punya percentage tu, increase dengan decrease. Then you get lah the answer, dapat markah. Okay, simple that. Okay, this one is example 3. This one sama juga, they ask, they stated composite index I for 2018 based on 2017 is 138.5. Then they ask to find the value of x. Substitute je, use the formula. So 138.5 equal to hasil summation of multiplication. 130 times 5 plus 150 plus 6 plus x times 7 plus 120 times 2. Then over the 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 2. Okay. So total weightage-nya how many? Because we want to find x, so kita kena transfer one by one. First, we transfer this one to the other side. Okay, 20, yes. So 138.5 times by 20 equal to, okay, now solvekan, tambahkan dulu this part and this part. What value did you get? 130 times 5 plus 150 times 6 plus 8. 1790 plus 7x. Okay, both. Okay, next 138.5 times 20. You get how many? 2770, yes. This one, we move this one to this side lah. Minus 1790 equal to 7x. Okay. So 980 equal to 7x. So x is equal to 140. Yes, 140. Dapat lah. Okay, yang lain pun macam tu je. Set dia one by one. This one, dia lebih kurang macam kamu dah masuk statistik tak dalam matematik moden? Measure of dispersion. Baca belum?
Belum belajar.
Belum nanti method dia is just the same je. Dalam mathematics modern nanti you guys will learn about measure of dispersion where kamu akan cari variance, standard deviation and all of that stuff lah. So lebih kurang je cara pengiraan dia. Okay. So x is equal to 140. So if you want to confirm if your value of x is correct or not, so kamu just substitute je x tu dekat sini atau 40. Okay, and then try darabkan 130 times 5 plus 150 times 6 plus 140 times 7 plus 120 times 2 and then divided by 20. Tengok dapat tak tidak? 138.5. This one just to be cautious lah. Afraid that something wrong in your calculation. Okay, memang betul dapat. Okay, so itu just check your answer true or not. Substitute into the formula back. Okay, last question. Last homework. Example 5. The table shows the price indices for the goods in the year 2017. Inilah PQRS, price index 2017. So base is 2015. And then change in price indices from 2017 from here to 2018. Increase by 10, decrease, and change, increase. So dekat P how many? 2018 ni. So P berapa? So dia increase 10% from 2017. So the value should be 120 increase by 10%. So berapa kamu akan dapat? 130. Okay. 10% is from 120 ke from 100? Tengok. 10%. Dia increase 10% from 2017. Yes. So 2017 is 120. So 10% from that is 12. So 120 plus 12. So this one should be 132. 10. You salah sebab you use 100% from 100. So 10% from 100 memanglah 10. Tapi this one they use 2017. So kita compare dengan 2017 punya. Okay, Haziq betul 132. Okay, so decrease 5% from 140. Berapa nilainya? Untuk Q, for Q. Berapa kamu akan dapat? Okay, cari dulu 5% and then 140 minus that 5%. Yes, 133, correct. So this one unchanged. So just write it back, 115. Sekali increase 10%, increase 8%. Kira apa? For X, they increase 8% from 110. So kamu dapat 118.8. Okay, everyone got the same? Be the same lah kan? Azab pun dapat sama. Setelah ayat 118.8. Okay, so itu. So make sure kamu tengok betul-betul dia punya statement tu. Kan dia kata changes in price from 2017 to 2018. So, kamu punya increase ni from 2017 punya value. So, that's why rejectable. Unless they stated here from 2015. Okay. Kalau daripada 2015, baru kita guna 100. 10% daripada 100, 10. 5% daripada 100, 5%. So senang lah item tu. But this one, they use 70. So kena make sure to read the question properly ya. Okay. Now, kita dah tahu nilai weightage. Now, let's answer the question. Okay. A. If the price of product P is 18 ringgit in the year 2015, what is the price in the year 2017 and 2018? So this one, we just use formula lah. Okay, formula. So untuk A, kita tahunya, okay. For A, kita nak price 2017. Okay. Based on 2015 first, and then dia nak juga 2018 punya value. So 18 based on 15. Okay, 2018 ni they still based on 2015. Why? Sebab dia guna from value 2017. So value 2017, base is 2015. So they apply the same towards 2018 punya value. Okay, they still base 2015. Okay, so kita cari. Okay, we know for this one, price 2017-2015 for product P is 120. Okay, the price for 2017 yang kita nak cari, so X over 2015, 18 ringgit times 100. So what is your value for price in 2017? Dapat berapa? M? Pindahkan satu-satu and then find the value. The value for X is berapa?
1.6.
Berapa? Yes. 21 ringgit 60 cents. Okay, betul lah. Okay, now tengok untuk 2018 pula. Dia punya price index is 132. The value is unknown. We use Y. Value for 2015 still the same. 18 times 100. So your value for Y berapa? RM. Check the 132 divided by 100 times 18. Okay, 132, yes, 23 ringgit 76 sen. Okay, itulah harga dia. 76 sen. Kamu tak perlu bundar 76 tu jadi 80. Tak payah, dia aja 76. Unless kalau dia 3 titik perpuluhan, salah 7, 5, 8, baru bundar 76. Tapi kalau dia memang 2 decimal places, no need to run off. Okay, no need to run off. Dia aja. Okay, dahsyat A. Now B. the price of product X. Okay, sekarang kita tengok kat S stock. Is RM RM28. Wah laju. Okay, kita tengok. I 2010 Q times 100 120 Q 21. Okay, betul. Okay, betul. Okay, make sure your calculation nanti macam ni, macam yang Tan type dekat message. Okay, make sure buat satu-satu. Okay, so that transfer elok-elok one by one. Jangan kamu just terus masukkan. Dia kan yang normal masukkan. You should transfer one by one. Okay, ini tidak. Itu tanya saya. Okay, tengok betul-betul ni. This one the proper jalan kerja lah. Okay, this one saya terus tunjuk jawapan final answer. Memanglah your markah kamu satu dekat sini K1, satu dekat sini, satu dekat sini, satu dekat sini. But then make sure lah jawapan bawah ni betul. Jawapan bawah ni can only be correct if your calculation is correct. Okay? Good, good. You are so hardworking to type all of that. Good. Okay, now B. So RM28.60, the price for S in the year 2017, yeah? Bukan 2015, 2017. What is its price? Find our weight difference. 120,110. 120. 17. They're the same again. Is it different? 2000. Yeah, this one. So 18 times 100. 21 again, 60 cents. Based on the year 2017. So this one. 21 again, 60 cents. Yes. Yeah, I don't notice that. Yes, okay, as long as we get the same answer. This one you use P18 based on 17. But change simple. Because 132, this one, this 3, even though we get the same answer, this one, the base is still 2015. Okay, base is still 2015. So 132 actually is 2018 based on 2015, not 2017. Tak boleh kan? Kamu guna 2018 based on 2017 kan? No, cannot. Walaupun jawapan still sama. Oh, you directly. Yes, I understand now. Good. Okay, I understand now. Okay, so kiranya 2017 ni dia fixkan 100. Yes. So dia fixkan 100 and then sebab dia kata increase by 10, so jadilah 110. Okay, betul. Now I tengok. 120, 110. Yes, betul. Dia guna 110 over here. Yes, good. Okay, betul. So dia tak guna 132, dia guna 110. Okay, faham. Okay, so now we move on to question B. Okay, so if the price of product S is Rm 28 ringgit 60 cent in the year 2017. What is the price in the year 2015? This one simple je lah. Okay, so P 2017 based on 15. Okay, so the price index is 110. 110 is equal to, we know the value during 2017. So kita substitute kat atas 28.60 over X. Now we want to find 2015. So that's why we put it as X times 100. Okay. This one, saya tunjuk jalan kerja. Okay, this one first, you transfer 100. 110 over 100 equal to 28.60. Okay, next. Macam mana nak solvekan dia? Apa kamu perlu buat? Buat X on the bottom, denominator. Macam mana? Cross multiplication, okay? Cross multiplication, easy like that. So kamu akan dapat 110x is equal to 28.60 times 100. And then can find the value of x. 28.60 100 over 110. So what value? Calculation yang B. Berapa kamu dapat? 28 ringgit, 28 pound. Calculator, press your calculator. What value will you get? 26. Yes, 26 ringgit. And 26 ringgit. Okay? Simple. Dan jalan kerja sama juga ni. Maksudnya should be the same, this one. Because they use 2017. Yes. Just to be safe. Tahu kamu ada jalan kerja lain yang saya tak terfikir. Okay, it's okay. Maths is beautiful this way. Why? Different method but we get the same answer. Yang kita about maths. Okay, last question. C. Calculate the composite index for the year 2018 using the year 2015 as the base year. Okay, as the base year. So kita guna this one lah. 132, 133, 115, 118.8 times dengan weightage and then divided by weightage. Okay. So they want to find index for 18 based on 15. So tulislah 1305 plus 1354 plus 1152 and plus 118 and 1 over all the weightage. 5 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. Okay, your answer is come on, you guys should have already finished this question, kan? So you should get the answer right away. No need to calculate again. Kita dapat. Kira lah, ya. Tak payah nak gelak. Kira. Okay. The others? Tak faham? Okay, now. They ask find composite index kan? Kan composite index, our formula is index summation index darab weightage over summation weightage. Okay. So, composite index kita yang kita dapat inilah tadi 132, tapi dia kena darab dengan weightage dia ni 5 and then plus 133 times 4 plus 115 times 2 plus 118.8 times 1. Okay, itu untuk atas. Okay, then bawahnya summation hasil tambah. Okay, sum of weightage. So, kamu tambah 5 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. Directly je. Okay, that's why saya buat macam ni. So this one yang atas ni adalah summation of index and weightage. Bawah summation of weightage. Okay. So daripada situ kita teruskan. Answernya you should get berapa ayat dapat berapa? 128.4. Kita saya calculator. 115, 11. Saya salah kat mana ni? Oh, I think I know why. Wah, saya salah tulis ni. 132. This one is 132. This one is 133. Yes, thank you for noticing that. 115. 118.8. Okay. Yes, betul. Tadi tersalah. Okay. Dapatlah 128.4. Okay. Okay. Maybe sebab tu kot pertanyaan tak perasan. 132, we get from here. 132, 133, 115, 118.8. Sometimes I make mistake also. So that's why you need to be confirmed with your answer. Okay, should be correct lah. 132, 133. Okay. Now, if I add one more question, find the composite index for 2018 based on 2015. Macam mana kamu boleh kira? Itu sama juga ni, 15, 17. Okay. 2018 based on 2017. Okay. Macam mana kamu dapat kalau 2018 based on 2017? Okay, price indexnya akan jadi berapa? But this one is for 2015. So for 2017, price index dia macam mana kita nak cari? Kalau dia based on 2017. Itu dah kira. Okay, how did you get that? Macam biasa. So now, 2017 dah jadi base. Okay, dah jadi base. So 2017, price index dia adalah 100. Okay, now dia kata increase by 10%. So dia akan jadi 110. Decrease by 5, so 95. Unchanged, 100. Last sekali increase by 8, so 108. Okay, Tan pun dah tunjuk jalan kerja tu. Dekat check. So, from there, we buat je 110, 5 plus 95, 4 plus 100, 2 plus 108, 1 over 12. So you get 103.17. Yes. Okay, this one because we use different base. One base 15, this one base 70. Okay. So soalan boleh tanya macam-macam jenis, tapi lebih kurang macam tu je lah. It should be not that complicated for you to answer sebenarnya. Okay. So ini saya tunjuk. So this one nanti I'll share in your WhatsApp group for you to do. This is homework for mid-sem break. Okay, nanti mid-sem break punya homework. Okay, so ini jenis-jenis soalan dalam exam nanti. Okay, kurang je. So table 1, price indices and percentage for items. Calculate, tengok price S in the year 2014. Kita biasa je, in the year 2017, price index, and then dia bagi composite index, find the value of X. So, itu benda-benda simple je. It's not that hard lah. Tengok, markah dia 10. So, kamu dapat jawab elok-elok one question, you already got 10 marks. Okay, 10 marks. This one if they use bar chart, pie chart. Okay, 5, 2, and then adalah question results. Okay, so this one I'll share it on the group and you do it for your mid-sem break. Tapi kalau nak buat apa-apa pun tak apa. Just remember your quiz is this Saturday 10 until 11. Okay, 10, 11 p.m. AM. Okay, so that's all for index numbers. Next topic, we learn indices, sets, and logarithm, I think, chapter 4. Okay, so itu sajalah untuk hari ini. That's all for today lah sebenarnya. So we just answer problem solving, and then I'll share the exercise for you in the Google group WhatsApp. So, any question?
No.
No, sir.
question. As always, no question. So before we end our class, please open your camera for photo session. Kena revise ya.